In the next few minutes, I will show you 25 small machines that turn tiny spaces into real products people actually buy. You will get clear steps, rough costs, and smart angles to land your first 10 paid orders fast. No fluffy motivation, no tech speak, just ideas you can copy and try this week. Let us build a tiny factory at home. Let us start big. Rust that laughs at sandpaper? This laser cleaner draws a bright line and the rust is gone. No sand, no mess, just clean metal. Think classic car parts, boat hardware, air conditioner housings, factory parts. This is a service you sell by the hour. Drive in, clean fast, drive out. Post short before and after clips. Offer a bundle, clean plus prime, so the part is ready to paint. Add same-day rush pricing. Build weekday routes for body shops, farms, and marinas. The pitch is simple. You restore, they reinstall. Now switch from sight to smell. A donut machine drops batter, flips at the right time, and sends golden rings to the tray. No guesswork. Ingredients are cheap. The show sells itself. Set up at markets, school fairs, and office parks. Sell singles, 6-packs, and office dozens. Change one flavor each weekend, maple bacon, lemon glaze, or cinnamon sugar so people come back. Take pre-orders for 10 in the morning pickup to smooth the rush. Team up with a coffee cart for combo tickets. They bring the caffeine. You bring warm donuts. Everyone wins. Magic in glass is easy to share. A 3D crystal engraver fires tiny dots inside the block, so a face, a pet, or a logo seems to float in the crystal. The outside stays smooth. The memory lives inside. Small machine. Quiet. Great for gifts, awards, and memorials. Do while you wait pieces at events. Snap a photo, press start, hand it over. Sell LED bases for a glow effect and a better unboxing. Keep it fresh with limited runs, graduation years, your city skyline, and local landmarks. Before award season, pre-sell company packs and add desk nameplates. One order can turn into quarterly repeats when HR sees how fast you deliver. From magic to design. A clay 3D printer squeezes a thin bead of clay and builds the shape layer by layer. That is how you get vases with ribs, wavy lampshades, and planters a wheel cannot make. Clay is cheap. The machine is small. The story sells, digitally designed and hand-finished. Who buys? Plant shops, interior designers, and gift boutiques. Offer custom sizes and monthly limited drops. Film quick time-lapse clips. They become your best ads. Give wholesale pricing to stores that reorder every 30 days. Ever wonder why bubble tea does not spill in the car? This cup sealer melts a thin film across the rim. The cup travels clean and looks premium on camera. Countertop size, easy to learn. Films cost pennies, perfect for pop-ups, markets, and food trucks that need speed and style. Drop weekly film designs, holidays, team colors, and collabs with nearby cafes. Keep the menu tight. 3 base flavors, 3 toppings, and 1 weekly special. Sell party kits, 25 sealed cups plus toppings plus delivery for office Fridays or birthdays. Small plastic parts, clips, knobs, chess pieces, and cable organizers come off a desktop injection molding machine in seconds. Where 3D printing is too slow and big factories ignore short runs, this shines. Heat pellets inject into a compact aluminum mold, eject, and repeat. Clean parts with repeatable quality. Monetize the speed. Offer 48-hour pilot runs for local hardware startups or Etsy sellers who need 100 to 300 parts to test. Package it as a service. Design refinement plus the mold plus the first batch. Keep common colors in stock and quote flat fees per cavity so clients can say yes on the spot. Think wardrobes and gym bags. We all toss socks constantly. A sock knitting machine turns cones of yarn into finished pairs with patterns, logos, and even compression zones. Do not compete on price, compete on concept. Run limited weekly drops, a sock of the month subscription, and corporate gift boxes with custom tags to lift average order value. The steady tap-tap of the needles makes hypnotic short videos people share without thinking. Pitch gyms and running clubs, bulk orders before race days. Add name initials for a tiny extra fee that is almost pure margin. There is a saying, great tortillas love hands, but to make enough you need a tortilla machine. Dough balls go in. Warm, even rounds slide out seconds later. Once you dial consistency, restaurants and meal kit services become repeat customers. Sell by the dozen. Add flavored batches, blue corn or chipotle, and include a warmer in your catering kit. Fresh product plus reliable delivery equals loyal clients who reorder on autopilot. Offer taco night packs. 24 tortillas, salsa, and protein from a partner vendor. An easy family add-on that moves volume. Look closely at shelves in any store. Tiny sachets of coffee, spices, protein powder, and detergent. A powder packing machine doses precisely. Forms a pouch from film, fills and seals. Clean, consistent, and fast. One day you are packing turmeric blends for Etsy. The next you are portioning dishwasher powder for a local refill shop. Bundle 3 flavors with a recipe card and add subscriptions for monthly refills. Keep your product list tight and your turnaround quick. Speed is the advantage. Offer white label packs for cafes and nutrition coaches who want their brand on small runs. Fresh, fragrant oils win taste tests on the first pour. A tabletop oil press crushes sunflower, sesame, or peanut seeds into cold-pressed oil and leaves a protein-rich press cake you can sell as animal feed. The unit is microwave size and tidy. Offer tastings, infuse with garlic or chili, and package in dark glass with clean labels. Build a sampler trio and a quarterly refill plan. That is recurring revenue in a bottle. Approach delis and farm stands with small consignment displays. Low risk for them, reliable reorders for you. Custom rugs and wall art are popular because they are personal. A tufting gun punches yarn through backing to create thick, plush designs fast. Pet portraits, brand logos, and abstract shapes. The content is naturally viral. Quick time-lapse, the satisfying trim, and the final reveal. Plastic straws are out. Paper straws keep winning orders from cafes, bars, and venues. The machine spirals narrow paper strips with edible glue, slices them to length, and stacks for packing. Restaurants love local suppliers who deliver next day and print brand colors. Keep humidity-friendly storage and wrap single straws for hygiene. Seasonal patterns, candy cane, summer stripes, and team colors give you marketing beats all year. Pitch wedding planners custom color sets and charge rush fees with confidence. If one of these ideas has your brain sparking, pause and write down one you could launch locally in 30 days. At the end, I will give you a 3-step pricing shortcut and a 10-order validation plan, so stick around through item 22. Caps with stitched logos and jackets with monograms sell better. Embroidery turns ordinary blanks into premium merch. A multi-needle desktop unit reads your file and stitches clean lines on caps, tees, and hoodies. Thread costs pennies. The value is personalization and speed. Target little leagues, local coffee shops, and real estate teams with a 5-day promise and tiered pricing. Patch sets and monogrammed initials lift your average order without slowing production. Keep a rack of blank caps and hoodie sizes on hand so you can say yes to rush jobs. Paper plates do not sound exciting until you see how many cafes and food trucks use every week. A paper plate forming machine uses heated molds to press blanks into sturdy plates. Simple, repeatable, and compact. Offer plain white for food service and theme packs for events. Kids' birthdays and corporate picnics love printed designs. Run sampler boxes with mixed sizes so small businesses can test before they commit to cases. Your edge is fast custom runs, not commodity pricing. Sell event pallets, plates plus napkins plus printed signs, priced as a turnkey set. Every florist and event planner asks for custom ribbon with names and dates. A ribbon printing machine hot stamps foil lettering on satin or grosgrain in minutes. Keep a palette of standard colors and offer last-minute orders at full price. Bundle with gift tags and wax seals for a premium unboxing moment. Short clips of the foil lifting off give you touch through the screen appeal. Create tiered packs 10, 50, and 200 yards with free setup at higher tiers to nudge bigger buys. Hotels, salons, and spas use a lot of disposable footwear. A slipper-making machine feeds non-woven fabric, ultrasonically welds the upper to the sole, and cuts a pair every cycle. Sell bulk white by the case and offer logo embroidery as a premium line. Add simple-size stickers and neat polybagging to speed check-in at venues. Reliable weekly deliveries beat the cheapest quote. Be the supplier who never misses a drop. Pitch cruise ships and conference centers before peak seasons to lock recurring orders. Raw plywood looks like a workshop until the edges are finished. A manual edge bander rolls on melt glue and presses matching tape so cabinets look showroom ready. Small cabinet shops hate resetting big machines for a handful of shelves, so you take those tiny jobs and turn them fast. Combine with CNC cutting or drilling and sell a clean, flat-pack cabinet kit. Customers drop off panels in the morning and pick up ready-to-assemble parts after lunch. Offer on-site service for apartment installs and bill by the linear foot. Scrap plastic becomes raw material when a compact shredder turns it into clean flakes. Makers need regrind for injection molds, sheet presses, or filament extruders, and they will pay by the pound for sorted washed chips. Offer a drop-off service, label bins by color, and sell ready-to-mold mixes. Pair the shredder with a small injection press or sheet press to prove the loop. Trash in, products out. Pitch local schools and makerspaces collection drives. They bring scrap, you give discounts. Fish feed for aquaponics, small breed dog pellets, and custom blends for backyard chickens. A pet food pellet extruder lets you go niche. Mix your recipe, press through a die, cut to one length, and bag it fresh. The story matters. Single protein options, herb blends, and locally made small batches. Launch with tiny 1-pound testers and subscription refills. Customers who see results stay with a brand for months. Offer breeder or rescue discounts in exchange for testimonials and bulk orders. Raw cast jewelry goes from dull to bright after a tumble. A jewelry drum polisher loads rings and pendants with media. Hours later, they come out smooth and shiny. Sell finishing services to local jewelers and 3D printed metal makers, or launch your own line with consistent shine every time. Create small care kits, a polish cloth, and an anti-tarnish bag, and include them with orders to justify premium pricing. A before and after carousel becomes instant proof. Sell next-day polish to studios with tight deadlines and price it as a rush tier. It is hard to say no to soft serve on a hot day. A countertop ice cream machine chills, aerates, and dispenses perfect swirls fast. For gelato or sorbet, a small batch freezer gives you a dense, scoopable texture. The strategy is mobility. Parks on Saturdays, school games midweek, and weddings on weekends. Keep a tight menu, 2 regular flavors plus 1 rotating special, 2 speed lines, and simplify prep. Punch cards and bring a friend toppings turn into repeat sales. Partner with corporate offices for monthly dessert breaks, predictable high-volume days. Shipping that must stay frozen. Cocktail bars that want fog on cue, and summer festivals that need dramatic effects. The answer is dry ice. A compact press turns liquid carbon dioxide into pellets or blocks in minutes. Your angle is reliability. When a chef or a caterer needs it tonight, local beats national every time. Offer scheduled routes, Monday and Thursday restaurant drops, and Friday event prep, and simple subscriptions for labs and smoke-over cocktail bars. Add a weekend fog kit for DJs and venues with pellets, gloves, and a quick guide. Build tiered delivery zones so urgent calls pay premium rates. Pallets do not have to be nailed slats. Pressed wood pallets are molded from sawdust and shavings, lighter, uniform, and easy to stack. The raw material often comes cheap or free from furniture shops, and the molded form looks neat on warehouse floors. Offer buyback and grinding services to close the loop. You supply pallets, you recycle them, and you resupply. You have seen rainbow clouds of bubbles float over birthdays and wedding exits. A bubble machine lets you create that on command, or bottle the liquid and sell party packs. Mix a simple solution, use a hand filler or a small semi-automatic capper, and you are in business. The win is speed. Schools, DJs, and planners often need last-minute refills, and they will pay for local pickup today. Keep a weekend kit ready, the machine, a gallon jug, and branded minis, and offer themed labels as an upsell. Add a loyalty punch card for repeat rentals and bundle with foam machines for bigger events. Here is your simple plan. Step 1. Pick one machine that fits your space and the customers you can reach in 30 days. Step 2. Price with the 3 times rule. Target retail at roughly 3 times your landed unit cost. Adjust after your first 10 orders. Step 3. Validate with pre-orders. Get 10 paid commitments before you buy the bigger setup. Keep your catalog tight, your turnaround fast, and your story simple, local, custom, and reliable. Want a deeper dive, models, checklists, or a calculator for any item here? Drop its name in the comments, like, subscribe, and send this to the friend who is ready to turn a garage corner into a tiny, profitable factory.